Welcome to our guide on February planting. As the winter chill begins to fade, it's the perfect time to start planning your garden for the year ahead. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just getting started, we've got some great tips and plant recommendations to help you make the most of this transitional month. Let's dive into our list of the top plants to consider for February. First up, we have pansies. These vibrant flowers are not only beautiful but also hardy enough to withstand the remaining cold days. They add a splash of color to any garden and are a wonderful choice for early planting. Next, consider planting sweet peas. Known for their delightful fragrance and delicate blooms, sweet peas thrive in cooler temperatures and can be started indoors or sown directly in the ground as the soil begins to warm. If you're looking to add some greenery, try spinach. This nutritious leafy green is easy to grow and does well in the cool temperatures of February. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce early in the season. For those interested in herbs, parsley is a fantastic option. It's a versatile herb that's great for cooking and does well when planted early in the year. Plus, it's a biennial, meaning it will last for 2 years in your garden. Finally, consider planting bare root roses. February is an ideal time to plant these as they establish roots before the growing season kicks in. Now that you know what to plant, here are a few gardening tips to ensure success. 1. Prepare your soil by mixing in compost to enrich it and improve drainage. 2. Pay attention to the planting depth and spacing requirements for each plant to give them room to grow. 3. Keep an eye on the weather and protect your plants from unexpected frosts with covers or cloches. 4. Water your plants adequately, especially if there are dry spells, but avoid overwatering. In summary, February offers a unique opportunity to kickstart your garden with a range of plants that thrive in cooler conditions. By choosing the right varieties and following these simple tips, you'll set your garden up for a successful growing season. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.